welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this water flosser. It is by this brand right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is what the main device looks like. You'll actually charge it back here. You'll just remove that and plug in your charger, which is this right here. And then all you'll do is need a USB port to actually charge it up in. So it does come with 7 different attachments. I usually just use the standard one, but it does have this one with all the little bristles, and then it has a tongue scraper as well. And then it does have one of the ones with the silicone on it so that it's easy to get up in your braces. Now I do highly recommend having one of these if you do have braces, because this is going to be your best friend. You do want to keep your teeth really clean so you don't get any calcium buildup or anything like that, plaque. It does also come with this, and it just kind of shows you how you should use it. It also does have a 2-minute timer. And then you have a user manual right here that just tells you a little more. It tells you like you're going to use a swooping motion through each one of the teeth. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So let's go ahead. You can either open it like this, or you can open it like this to fill it up, depending on what you want to do. Just push it in, slide it back over. And then it does have a little seal on this, so you don't have to worry about it leaking water. So you turn it on, it says welcome. So you can either do strong, normal, or soft, pulse, child. I'm going to use it at strong because that's what I always use. So when I'm using it, I just open up my mouth over the sink and kind of let the water drain out. And you will use a swiping motion like this. With braces, it's a little harder. But then I'll just kind of angle it. And then I do have a bridge right here. So I'll try to go underneath the bridge. I go from the back side and shoot out anything that may have got caught up underneath there. Now this is actually really strong, which I like. I need a really strong water flosser to really get everything out. So I do really like this one. I'm actually in a hotel right now, and I'm so glad I bought this because I've really been needing it. So this is great for travel. You can see I brought it with me, and I'm gonna be using this whole trip, and I just love it. So let me go ahead and show you again how you would use it. So you'll pick your mode, turn it on, it says welcome. Then you pick your mode, it's on strong. Then you're gonna press the power button to turn it on, open up your mouth. And then you press your power button to turn it off. And then you're good to go. And another thing, it also has a timer. It'll automatically turn off. I have 33 seconds left, so you don't have to turn it off. Technically, it'll automatically turn off. I'm just showing you how to use it. And then after that, it'll automatically turn off. So pretty cool. Definitely the most high-tech one that I've ever had. And it works really well. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.